A step-by-step guide to add credit card to Amazon via mobile app. India is witnessing an unprecedented boom in digital payments. With rapid fintech innovation and growing smartphone penetration, more Indians are turning to digital transactions for everyday needs, from online shopping to utility bill payments. Amid this digital shift, credit cards have emerged as a preferred payment tool for many. The reasons are clear: rewards on spending, ME options, secure payments, and hassle-free transactions across platforms. From cashback to travel miles, consumers are keen on maximizing their purchases with credit cards due to multiple benefits. E-commerce giant Amazon India offers multiple benefits on credit card transactions, like heavy discounts, zero ME options, and attractive deals on top brands, among others. If you're looking forward to linking your credit card to Amazon for faster checkouts and exclusive bank offers, the process is quite simple. You can add your credit card via the Amazon mobile app. Steps to add a credit card to Amazon using the mobile app. 1. Install the Amazon mobile application and then log in to your existing account using your registered email ID or phone number. 2. You might be required to enter an OTP one-time password if you're a new user. 3. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines located at the bottom right iOS or top left Android. 4. Scroll down and select your account. 5. Under the Amazon Pay section, tap on Manage Payment Options. 6. Select Add a Payment Method, then choose Add a Credit or Debit Card. 7. Enter your card details: card number, expiry date, CVV, and cardholder name. 8. Tap Add your card to save the information. 9. Complete the verification using the OTP sent by your bank, and your card will be securely added to your Amazon account. 10. You can also select the option to save your card details as per the RBI guidelines to avoid entering your credit card number for each transaction. Swipe left for next video. Amazon ensures secure payments with encryption-based systems and PCI DSS payment card industry data security standard compliance. Users are advised to add cards only over safe networks and never share sensitive details like OTPs or CVVs. The app allows storing multiple credit or debit cards, offering flexibility. Users can also edit or remove saved cards anytime under the Manage Payment Options section, ensuring full control and a seamless transaction experience. Latest blogs.